Hello guys, we are starting with 200 most important current affairs for SSC CGL 2025 और यहाँ से ना आपके 5 मार्क्स गारंटीड है. Let's begin. So which cultural property of India has been included in the UNESCO World Heritage List as the 44th site? So ये है मराठा मिलिट्री लैंडस्केप ऑफ इंडिया. यहाँ पे 11 फोर्ट्स जो है वो महाराष्ट्र के है एंड 8 तमिलनाडु का है. Next, which of the following international awards was recently conferred on PM Narendra Modi by Namibia? So answer is Order of the Most Ancient Vetwitsia Mirabilis. Next, who has been appointed as the first woman Director General of Railway Protection Force? So वो है सोनाली मिश्रा. अब what is the rank of India in UN Sustainable Development Goals Index 2025? ये इंपॉर्टेंट है क्योंकि इंडिया पहली बार टॉप 100 में आया है. सो 99th रैंक है. Next, who has became the first Italian player to win men's single title at Wimbledon Open 2025? और वो है जेनिक सिनर जिन्होंने कार्लोस को हराया था. Next, who won Miss World 2025? So she is Opal Suchata Changsari और ये है थाईलैंड की. Okay. Next, which state has launched the Operation Kalnemi? तो उत्तराखंड ने किया है जो भी फ्रॉड फेक बाबाज होते हैं ना उनके लिए. Which Indian writer has won the International Booker Prize 2025? वो है भानु मुस्तक और इनकी बुक है हर्ट लैम्प. Next we have where has PM Modi inaugurated the Jai Prakash Narayan International Airport? So in Patna, Bihar. Next, Guneri village has been declared the first biodiversity heritage site of which state? तो ये गुजरात की है, कच्छ डिस्ट्रिक्ट की. In which state was 18th प्रवासी भारतीय दिवस सेलिब्रेटेड? तो ये हुआ था उड़ीसा में और चीफ गेस्ट थे ट्रिनिडाड एंड टोबाको की प्रेसिडेंट क्रिस्टीन कंगालू. नेक्स्ट वी हैव which city has been declared as the second capital of Assam state? तो डिब्रूगढ़ को सेकंड कैपिटल बनाया गया है. Who has been appointed as the new private secretary to PM नरेंद्र मोदी? तो निधि तिवारी. Next, with which country is India partnering to construct its first indigenously built polar research vessel? तो वो नॉर्वे के साथ है. नेक्स्ट वी हैव हु हैज बिकेम द फर्स्ट इंडियन एक्ट्रेस टू बी ऑनर्ड विद स्टार ऑन द हॉलीवुड वॉक ऑफ फेम? तो दीपिका पादुकोण. नेक्स्ट वी हैव विच स्टेट ओला टी रिसीव द पेटेंट फॉर इंडियाज फर्स्ट बैगलेस टी? तो असम की. नाउ इन विच लेक विल द फर्स्ट एवर खेलो इंडिया वाटर स्पोर्ट्स फेस्टिवल बी हेल्ड? तो दाल लेक में होगी. दाल लेक कहाँ पर है ये आप बताना कॉमेंट्स में. Which country will take over as the chair of BRICS in 2026 and host the 18th BRICS summit? तो ये इंडिया के पास है. ओके और इस बार वाला कहाँ हुआ था ये आप बताना कमेंट्स में. नेक्स्ट, which Indian state is developing Asia's largest jungle safari park in the Aravallis Hill? तो हरियाणा. नेक्स्ट, which two countries recently joined the new development bank ahead of 17th BRICS summit? तो कोलंबिया एंड उज्बेकिस्तान. Next, which village in Sikkim's Pakyong district has been officially declared as India's first digital nomad village? तो Yakten village. Which Indian state has become the first to grant agricultural status to poultry and livestock farming? Maharashtra. Next we have which country will become the 21st member of the Eurozone? मतलब यूरो को अडॉप्ट करेंगे from 1st January 2026. That is Bulgaria. Where was exercise Desert Hunt 2025 and integrated tri-service special forces exercise conducted? मतलब यहाँ पर जो तीनों डिफेंस के सर्विसेज के स्पेशल फोर्सेस हैं उन्होंने पार्टिसिपेट किया था और ये हुई थी एयरफोर्स स्टेशन जोधपुर में. What was India's rank in World Happiness Report 2025? That was 118th. Now which country has conferred PM Narendra Modi Grand Commander of the Order of the Star and Key to the Indian Ocean? So ये है Mauritius. Now, which team has won Ranji Trophy 24-25? Vidarbha. Next, who has been appointed as the global brand ambassador for Visit Maldives? तो ये है Katrina Kaif. Who has become the first Indian women to win the FIDE Women's World Cup? So important है Divya Deshmukh. In the Global Gender Gap Index 2025, what was India's rank out of 148 countries? So ये है 131st. Next, which team has won the Indian Premier League 2025 title? सो आरसीबी जीती है पंजाब किंग्स को हराकर. नेक्स्ट, वेयर वाज द 22nd शांग्री-ला डायलॉग एशियाज प्रीमियर डिफेंस समिट हेल्ड इन 2025? तो ये सिंगापुर में हुआ था. हु वाज कन्फर्म्ड द 59th ज्ञानपीठ अवार्ड, बिकमिंग द फर्स्ट ऑथर फ्रॉम छत्तीसगढ़ टू रिसीव द इंडियाज हाईएस्ट लिटरेरी ऑनर? सो ही इज विनोद कुमार शुक्ला. Next, which state in India became the first to make robotics education compulsory for all class 10 students? So, Kerala. What was India's rank in corruption perception index 2024? And यहाँ पर 93rd rank है. Who was appointed 26th Chief Election Commissioner of India? Gyanesh Kumar. Which village in Himachal Pradesh, Kangra district was designated as the state's first solar model village? Raja Khas. Which national park has been designated as India's 58th tiger reserve in March 2025? So ये है माधव National Park in Madhya Pradesh. Next, who has become the first woman and the first African to lead the International Olympic Committee? So she is Christy Coventry. Which team did India defeat to win 2025 ICC Champions Trophy? New Zealand. Which two Indian cities were accredited as wetland cities under the Ramsar Convention in January 2025? So ये है इंदौर and Udaipur. Which country became the first to officially recognize the Taliban government in Afghanistan? Russia. Which state became the first fully literate state in India, officially declared under the Ullas Initiative? So Mizoram. Who won 2025 Santosh Trophy? ये 33rd edition था, West Bengal. Who was selected as the winner of 2024 Saraswati Samman? So he is Mahamahopadhyay Sadhu Bhadresh Das. Who has become the first woman economist to be appointed as Deputy Governor of RBI? So Poonam Gupta. Who won the women's single title at 2025 French Open? Coco Gauff. And men's में है Carlos Alcaraz. What is the name of Google's largest office campus in India launched in Bengaluru? तो नाम है Ananta. Who was the chief guest as India's 76th Republic Day parade? So Indonesian President Subianto. Which battlefield surveillance system was flagged off by Rajnath Singh? So Sanjay battlefield surveillance system. Where is the Vizhinjam International Seaport? So Tiruvananthapuram, Kerala. Who received the 2025 United Nations Sasakawa Award for Disaster Risk Reduction? So he is Dr. Mrityunjay Mohapatra. Which city has officially become the leopard capital of India? So that is Bengaluru. Which state government has launched Chief Minister Jeevan Anuprerana Yojana for research scholars? Assam. What is India's rank in the World Press Freedom Index 2025? So ये है 151st. Which Indian state launched the country's first Vistadome jungle safari train connecting Katarnia Ghat Wildlife Sanctuary and Dudhwa Tiger Reserve? So that is Uttar Pradesh. Who has assumed the charge as the chairman of UPSC, Union Public Service Commission? So that is Dr. Ajay Kumar. The Khelo India Beach Games 2025 held in the Union Territory of Dadar and Nagar Haveli and Daman and Diu was won by which state? So that is Manipur. Which country has become the 123rd member of the International Solar Alliance? Angola. और इसका headquarter ना गुरुग्राम में है. Okay. Which state became the first in India to introduce Aadhaar-based face authentication for ration distribution under the public distribution system? So that is Himachal Pradesh. Who became the first woman fighter pilot of the Indian Navy? So she is Sub-Lieutenant Asta Punia. Who won the 2025 Shakti Bhatt Prize for her debut novel The Lucky One? So ये है Jara Chaudhary. What is the name of the third ship of the Nilgiri class which is under Project 17A and the first of its class built at GRSC that was delivered to the Indian Navy? So that is INS Himgiri. Where was the freshwater fish species Pethia dibrugarhensis discovered? So यहाँ नाम से पता चल रहा है. So that is Dibrugarh, Assam. With which country does India conduct Coast Guard exercise Jamata? Japan. Where is the Vera C. Rubin Observatory, which features the world's largest digital camera and a rapid three-wing telescope for a 10-year survey of the southern sky located? So ये चीनी में है. Who received the Kalinga Ratna Award 2024 presented by President Draupadi Murmu in Cuttack, Orissa? So हमारे Education Minister Dharmendra Pradhan. In which state has India's first roll-on roll-off Ro-Ro ferry services started? So Goa. Which police force achieved a historic feat at the 21st World Police and Fire Games in Alabama, USA? So ये है उत्तर प्रदेश पुलिस. Which state in India launched the country's first tribal genome sequencing project? So that is Gujarat. Which country will host the ISSF World Cup in 2027 and the Junior World Shooting Championship in 2028? So India host करेगी. Who was awarded the UN Population Award 2025? So Varsha Deshpande, and she is third Indian to receive, okay, after JRD Tata and Indira Gandhi. Which state launched the Charan Paduka scheme that provides footwear to Tendu leaf collectors? So Chhattisgarh. Which player has won her first Wimbledon title with a double major score, मतलब 6060? So she is Iga Swiatek. Who won Pen Pinter Prize 2025? Leela Abulella. Which police station became the first in India to receive the ISO Quality Management System certification from the Bureau of Indian Standards? So Arthungal Police Station, Kerala. Which Indian cricketer was inducted into the ICC Hall of Fame? So Mahendra Singh Dhoni. Which launch vehicle was used to launch ISRO SpaceX Space Docking Experiment Mission PSLV C-60? Who won the 38th National Games held in Uttarakhand? Services Sports Control Board. Which country launched missiles at the Al Udeid Air Base in Qatar in retaliation for United States strikes on its nuclear facilities? So Iran. Where is India's first dedicated maintenance depot for Vande Bharat Express trains being built? So Jodhpur, Rajasthan, Bhagat ki Kothi, वहाँ पर. Which Indian bureaucrat was appointed as the second principal secretary to Prime Minister? So Shaktikanta Das second है और P.K. Mishra first है. हाँ. What is a commonly suggested name for the generation born after 2025? So हम इन्हें Gen Beta बोलेंगे. और ये ना जनरेशन 2025 से 2039 तक जो भी चिल्ड्रन बॉर्न होंगे इनके बीच उन्हें हम Gen Beta बोलेंगे. Which country launched Operation Bunyan-ur-Marsus against India? So Pakistan. Which country has banned chess, citing concern that it promotes gambling and is anti-Islamic? Afghanistan. Which state tableau was awarded Best State Tableau at the Republic Day Parade 2025? Uttar Pradesh. Where was Exercise Cyclone 2025, the joint military exercise between India and Egypt, conducted? Mahajan Field Firing Range, Rajasthan. Where was India's first successful white tiger breeding program initiated? Rewa, Madhya Pradesh. In which country is Mount Tarakni that was granted legal rights equal to a person? New Zealand. Who won the 2025 Pritzker Architecture Prize? ये Nobel Prize बोलते हैं आर्किटेक्चर का. So he is Liu Zhaikun from China. Which Indian state launched a pension scheme offering rupees 20,000 per month to individuals who were imprisoned during the emergency? Odisha. Who was awarded the most impactful environmentalist award 2025? Acharya Prashant. Who won the World Test Championship 2025 final, ending a 27-year trophy drought with a 5 wickets victory over Australia, South Africa? Who won the Abel Prize in 2025? So Masaki Kashiwara. Who has been elected as the first president of the International Big Cat Alliance? So he is Bhupendra Yadav. In 2025, which two wetlands were added to the Ramsar list of wetlands of international importance, bringing India's total to 91 sites? So that is Kichan and Minar. Which Indian state recorded the highest number of bird species in the Great Backyard Bird Count 2025? West Bengal. Which two ancient Indian texts were added to UNESCO's Memory of the World Register? So Bhagavad Gita and Natya Shastra. Natya Shastra किसने लिखी है आप ये कमेंट्स में बताना. So where was India's first generation beta baby born? So ये आइजवाल मिजोरम में born हुआ था and उसका नाम था फ्रैंकी जेडंग and around 12:03 AM. Okay. What is the name of the traditionally built ancient stitched ship recently inducted into the Indian Navy? So ये है INSV Kondinya. What was the new name approved by the Bihar government for the Gaya city? So that is Gaya Ji. Who was posthumously awarded the Padma Vibhushan in 2025 for revolutionizing India's automotive industry? So that is Osamu Suzuki. जापान के है ये. Okay, जापान. So next we have, where is the Ghatakpur thermal power plant whose unit 1 was inaugurated by PM Narendra Modi? So ये उत्तर प्रदेश में है. Who won UEFA Nations League in 2025? Portugal, स्पेन को हराकर. Which Indian state has declared 2025-2035 as the decade of hydro power? So ये है अरुणाचल प्रदेश. Which temple primarily organizes the Buddha Rashmi National Vishak Festival in Colombo, Sri Lanka in 2025? So ये गंगा रमाया टेम्पल. What is the name of Sarvan AI text-to-speech model designed for 11 Indian languages? Bulbul V2. Ozofeni, which received the GI tag, is from Goa. Which Indian city has been nominated for UNESCO's Creative City of Gastronomy? So ये है लखनऊ. Which state launched the Vithoot program under the Seed Ball initiative to restore forest and reduce human-wildlife conflicts? So that is Kerala. Who is the first Indian astronaut to travel to the International Space Station under the Axiom Mission 4? So Subhanshu Shukla. Who became the first woman officer appointed as aide-de-camp to President Draupadi Murmu? So she is Lieutenant Commander Yashasvi Solanki. Where is India's first aqua tech park established? So ये है असम में. When will India's 2027 population census begin in snowbound regions like Jammu and Kashmir and Himachal Pradesh? So ये 2 phases में होंगे. Snowbound region के लिए 1 October 2026. Where was India's first ever wooden Gurudwara named Sri Nanak Niwas built? So the Gurudwara is in Fazilka, Punjab. Which Indian naval ship is being repurposed into the country's first underwater museum and artificial coral reef of the Nivati rock coast in Sindhudurg, Maharashtra? So ये है INS Buldar. Where was India's first cooperative university, Tribhuvan Sarkari University, established? So that is in Gujarat. Which Indian state recorded the highest number of river dolphins according to the latest national survey? So Uttar Pradesh. Where is India's first commercial semiconductor fabrication facility been established? So ये धोलेरा गुजरात में. Which Southeast Asian country was the first to legalize same-sex marriage? So that is Thailand. Next, which Indian city joined the WHO Global Network for Age-Friendly Cities and Communities? So ये है कोचिकोड़ी, Kerala. So which 2 countries officially withdraw from the World Health Organization in early 2025? So US and Argentina. Which Indian train features the country's first onboard ATM facility? So ये है मुंबई मनमाड़ पंचवती एक्सप्रेस. What is the name of United States proposed space-based missile defense system? So ये है Golden Dome. Now next, which app developed by India's National Disaster Management Authority provides real-time geotagged early warning alerts for floods, cyclone, earthquake, heat waves and more? ये है Sachet. Next, which country will host 52nd G7 summit in 2026? So ये फ्रांस करेगी और इस बार वाला आप बताना कमेंट्स में. Which country was the first to criminalize the use of AI tools to create child sexual abuse material? So UK. Who was appointed as 52nd Chief Justice of India? So Justice B.R. Gavai. Who emerged as the men's single champion at 2025 French Open? Carlos Alcaraz. Jannik Sinner को हराया था. Which country has officially been agreed to receive sovereignty over the Chagos Island from the United Kingdom? So that is Mauritius. Which state organized India's first astro-tourism festival, Ladakh? Who is the first American-born individual to become Pope? So Pope Leo XIV Robert Francis Prevost. Which bridge in India was renamed Sindoor Bridge? Karnak Bridge, Mumbai. Which media outlet received the 2025 UNESCO Guillermo Cano World Press Freedom Prize? So La Prensa Nicaraguan newspaper है. Which Indian state was the first to establish a senior citizen commission? So that is Kerala. Which organization won the Digital Payment Award 2024-25? Indian Post Payment Bank. Which country became the first in the world to integrate a national level crypto payment system? So Bhutan. What is the name of CSIR developed indigenous biomedical waste treatment rig commission that aims New Delhi? So that is Srajanam. Which country hosted the NATO Summit 2025 for the first time? So Netherlands. How many individuals were conferred the Padma Shri Award in 2025? 113 individuals. Who topped the Performance Grading Index 2.0 for school education in 23-24? So Chandigarh. Which city hosted world's first World Audio Visual and Entertainment Summit? So ये Mumbai, Maharashtra. Which initiative was launched by Delhi Police to enhance women's safety? So that is Shishtachar Squads. Which Indian origin artist recently won a Grammy Award in the Best New Age Ambient or Chant Album category for the album Triveni? So that is Chandrika Tandon. Which state became the first in India to launch a dedicated yoga policy? To Uttarakhand. What was India's rank in Energy Transition Index 2025? 71st. Who became the first Indian to receive the Ramsar Award for Wetland Wise Use? So Jayashree Venkatesan. Which wildlife sanctuary in Kerala was renamed in 2025 to become India's first dedicated butterfly sanctuary? So that is Aralam Wildlife Sanctuary. Which organization was honored with Digital Transformation Award 2025 by Central Banking in London? RBI. Where were the Harappan civilization sites Mithathal and Tigrana discovered? So ये भिवानी डिस्ट्रिक्ट हरियाणा में है. Which state created history by implementing uniform civil code in independent India? So उत्तराखंड. Okay, गोवा में पहले से है before independence. What was India's rank in Climate Change Performance Index 2025? So that is 10th. Which state topped the first fiscal health index developed by Niti Aayog? So that is Odisha. What is name of Assam's first AI news anchor? Ankita. Who was honored with the key to the city of Lisbon? Draupadi Murmu. What was India's rank in the Global Terrorism Index 2025? So 14th है इंडिया का रैंक और पहली कंट्री जो है ना that is बुर्किना फासो. Which city was declared as India's first beggar-free city? So that is Indore. Which group launched the first ever at-sea ship observer mission in 2025? So Quad ने किया है. Okay, Quad के members है जापान, ऑस्ट्रेलिया, इंडिया and USA. What is the name of India's first indigenous micro-missile system successfully tested at Gopalpur, Odisha? So that is Bhargavastra. Which city was ranked as the most polluted in the world according to 2024 World Air Quality Report? So Meghalaya के Bairinhut. Which Indian humanitarian was awarded with the Companion of the Order of Fiji? So that is Madhusudan Sai. What is the name of India's first ever naval exercise with African nations conducted on Dar es Salaam? तो इसका नाम है आईके में, जिसका फुल फॉर्म है अफ्रीका इंडिया की मैरीटाइम एंगेजमेंट. ओके, अफ्रीका इंडिया की मैरीटाइम एंगेजमेंट. हु बिकेम इंडियाज 87th चेस ग्रैंड मास्टर इन 2025? सो दैट इज ए रा हरिकृष्णन. Where did Indian Army successfully tested the Akash Prime missile system? So that is in Ladakh. What is the title of Shikhar Dhawan's debut autobiography released in 2025? So that is The One, Cricket, My Life and More. Where did DRDO conduct the maiden flight trial of its stratospheric airship platform? So ये श्योपुर मध्य प्रदेश में हुई है. Who became the first Indian to win a Badminton World Federation World Tour title in 2025? So he is Ayush Shetty. So what is the name of the first ever X-ray instrument to image Earth's magnetosphere from Moon developed by NASA? So इसका नाम है Lexi, जिसका full form है Lunar Environment Heliospheric X-ray Imager. Okay. What is the title of Nobel Peace Laureate Kailash Satyarthi's autobiography released in 2025? So that is दिया सलाई. आप बताना इन्हें नोबेल प्राइज किस फील्ड में मिला था और कौन से ईयर में. What does UPSC's प्रतिभा सेतु stand for? So that is Professional Resource and Talent Integration Bridge for Hiring Aspirants. मतलब जो थोड़े से मार्क्स के लिए फाइनल लिस्ट में नहीं आते उनके लिए ये था. Okay, so next, which of the following was not one of the nuclear sites in Iran targeted by United States under Operation Midnight Hammer? So इसमें से कौन सी साइट नहीं थी? अरक नहीं थी. Okay, ये तीनों थी. Which country man and women team both won the inaugural Kho-Kho World Cup in 2025? So Indian. Okay, India's man and women team both. Which mission was the first ever human space flight to orbit directly over Earth's polar region? So ये Pram 2 SpaceX का मिशन था. Operation Brahma was launched by India to help which country? Myanmar. In which sea did this Sindbad tourist submarine accident occur in 2025? So ये Red Sea में हुआ था. Which state or UT virgin coconut oil received a GI tag? So that is Andaman and Nicobar. Which country's men's Raghu team won the gold medal at the 2025 Sipak Takraw World Cup, marking their first ever top finish in the tournament? So ये Indian team थी. Who launched Operation Chakra 5 for cracking down on cyber crime and financial fraud across India? That is CBI. Which year was declared as the year of defense reforms by Indian Ministry of Defense? That is 2025. Who created history by becoming the first Indian to win a Formula 2 race at the Monaco Grand Prix in 2025? So that is Kush Mani. What was the name of the first nationwide civil defense mock drill conducted in India in 2025? So इसका नाम है Operation Abhyas. Where was India's first hydrogen powered train coach successfully tested? Chennai. In which country was replica of Ashok pillar of Dhamma unveiled? That is Sri Lanka. Which country became the first G7 nation to recognize the state of Palestine? France. Which is the only Indian airport featured in Travel Plus Leisure's World Best Award 2025? So that is Chhatrapati Shivaji International Airport, Mumbai. Which of the Gitanjali Shri's work won the Pen Translate Award 2025? Once Elephant Lived Here. What is the name of the dam project that China started building on the Brahmaputra River in Tibet in 2025, set to become the world's largest hydropower facilities? Madong Hydropower Station. Which iconic fighter jet of the Indian Air Force is set to retire after over 6 decades of service? So that is MiG-21. September में हो जाएंगे retire. Who was the chief guest at the Maldives 60th Independence Day celebrations in 2025? So Narendra Modi. Which Indian state is setting up the country's first center of excellence for hornbill conservation? Tamil Nadu. What is the name of India's first indigenous multi-stage malaria vaccine candidate? So that is Adfelcivax. Who became the first Indian to win the Best Magic Creator Award at the FISM World Championship of Magic in 2025? So Suhani Shah. Which institute was established as India's first dedicated creative tech institute for animation, VFX, gaming, comics and extended reality? So ये था Indian Institute of Creative Technologies. Who became the first Indian woman to play professional football in Europe and announced her retirement in 2025? So that is Aditi Chauhan. Jagdeep Dhankar resigned in July 2025, held which position as Vice President of India? So 14th Vice President थे हमारे. Which enforcement operation was launched by the Directorate of Revenue Intelligence to say smuggled Chinese firecracker worth 35 crores? So that was Operation Fire Trial. Who became the first Indian to win the prestigious Polygraphs Magic Skill Award? Deepika Sherawat. Which country qualified for an ICC Men's World Cup for the first time by securing a spot in the 2026 T20 World Cup? So that is Italy. Which was the first African country to officially adopt India's UPI system? So that is Namibia. Who is the first and only Indian-born creator featured in the inaugural Time 100 Creators list in 2025? So that is Prajakta Kohli. So with this, I complete 200 most important current affairs for SSC CGL 2025. You will surely see questions from this video. अच्छे से पढ़कर जाना. Study smart and have a good day. Bye.